Hello students. In today's session, we are going to start one project on Scratch, and in which we need to design our stage area first. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to delete this by default sprite, and then we need to select a background or a backdrop, right? So what is the rule and what is the option? Here is the backdrop option, and first option for choosing a backdrop from the library which are available in our Scratch, correct? So just select this, and then we need to prepare a jungle dance party. So for that we need to select a jungle background or a spotlight background. We can take this for birthday party. So I think this is fine. Or maybe we can take this jungle. Okay, so it's completely up to you, whatever backdrop you want to choose. It's clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we need to select two animals, either two animals or more than two animals. You can choose it. So right now we are not preparing our own sprite. We are taking from the library. So just go for the search option, and here you can select, here you can type the direct sprite name, or you can choose a category. Like for example, if I want to take any sprite which is related to the animal category, so we can choose the animal option here, and then we can take one beer. Okay, and one more sprite I want to take that is related to the animal. So we can take dinosaur, and then need to resize it because these animal size are very big. So we need to select the first sprite and then change the size. Like for example, we can type here 30. It's very small, so we can type in place of 30 60. Yes, hope it's fine, right? And on stage we can put the dinosaur. Even we can change the size of dinosaur also. We can put 80 size. Now it's fine, correct? So this is the part of designing in which we have designed one animal party celebration. Is it fine, students? Or you have any doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go with for the coding. So we need to select the control or event. So we need to select the event first for start my code, entire code which we are going to add here, right? So firstly we will discuss the we are going to program the dinosaur sprite. So we need to select the dinosaur first, and then we need to start the code. Then you need to select the forever block from the control statement, because we are going to do the same task continuously. So students, come on to the next come on to the costume area here. Now you can see dinosaur costumes are multiple. This is the first position. Now this one is the second position, then third, then fourth, then fifth. तो it's looking like जैसे कि वो डांस कर रहा है, करेक्ट? तो मल्टीपल स्टेजेस हैं उसके. तो जैसे ही हम उसको नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, नेक्स्ट कॉस्ट्यूम मतलब जो भी उसके कॉस्ट्यूम है वो चेंज होते रहेंगे. So we have an option under this looks, that is next costume. We need to put under the forever block. Correct? And then you can see, when I click on the flag, you can see the result. It is performing very fast. बहुत ज्यादा fast performance वो कर रहा है. That is very difficult to see. So for that, we have one option. Just stop this code and then put the wait block here, so that dinosaur will dance after some seconds. Correct? So under the control block, we have a wait option. We can put here and then just add the seconds value. Like for example, I want to give the weight for dinosaur movement like 0.5. Okay. Now you can see the result. I'm going to show you on full screen control. Much better. पहले से बेटर है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इस तरीके से हम उसकी पोजीशन को चेंज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर ओन चॉइसेस. नाउ वन मोर स्प्राइट इज अवेलेबल ऑन माय स्क्रीन. कौन सा एक और स्प्राइट अवेलेबल है मेरी स्क्रीन पर?
Ma'am, beer.
Beer. Very good. So we need to select the beer to code it. अगर मुझे उसे कोड करना है, उसको प्रोग्राम देना है, then we need to select it first. उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले उसको select करना पड़ेगा. Correct? And then we need to do one thing, like we need to provide the same code here. Like for example, I'm just putting the when flag clicked, then forever block, then under the looks next costume block, and we need to add the weight also. So what is the action for beer? Okay. तो ये भी अपना पार्टी में डांस मूवमेंट शो कर रहा है, सेम डायनासोर का शो कर रहा है, बट वी कैन डू वन मोर थिंग here. We can add one more flag or event. Okay. And then use the motion block. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 10 स्टेप आके मूव कराएंगे. And we need to provide the same block under the forever block. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then see the difference. क्या हो रहा है कि वो 10 स्टेप आगे मूव करता हुआ चला गया. अब उसे हमें वापस लेकर आना है. So for that we need to do one thing. we can provide -10 step. Then we can check the result. It's not moving -10 step. So for that, we need to do one thing, just remove this. We can set the edge bounce. That is an under control block. No. Yes, under the motion block. We need to set here, and then we need to set the rotation style also, left to right. Left to right. Yes, now it's looking good.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can do one more thing. इसकी भी speed बहुत fast है, so we can provide the weight. And it's very slow, so we can give the fast speed 0.6. Yes. तो हर एक कमांड अपना एक अलग एक्शन इसको प्रोवाइड कर रही है, आप देख रहे हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Even we can add the sound also. Before that, I'm going to share the sound so that you can hear the sound. So we'll go under the sound option and then choose the sound option from here, and we can select the party sound. Party noise. No, we can take a drum sound here. As comparison to party sound, drum sound is okay. So we can type in the search box drum sound. Now you can listen. Correct? So we can choose this one. And come on the code area again. Add the sound block from the here. And you can choose from here drum sound. And then just stop it and then just play it. Relate कर रहे हैं सब? अब आप ये देख रहे होंगे कि ये जो बियर है that is not moving. So you can do one thing. आप इस ड्रम साउंड को यहाँ से रिमूव करें, एक फ्लैग इवेंट के साथ अटैच कर दे. So students, if I'm adding the sound block under this section, so our beer is not moving properly. So that's why we are creating another event like sound block, and we need to put under the forever block of the sound block. Okay. And then we will start it. And let's see it's working or not. Okay, just wait. आपको sound visibility देना है. I think right now you can hear. So in this way we can do this thing, and we can add one more thing also. Like this is the dinosaur. So come on here, and we need to change the color also. So just come on to the looks, and then yes, change color. Okay, so just put it here, and you can change the color like this. You can see on the dinosaur. So it's interesting now. It is interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way you can create anything in the Scratch. Correct? For example, wait. You want to change the color or anything with beer, so you can select it, and then you can add the touching color. Like for example, I'm putting this here. Okay, that is about color. Yes. Set color here. Like for example, you want to change in the pixelate form or world form. Now you can see. Change this thing world to mosaic. Yes. You can see on the screen. And even you, it is clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to tell you one more thing. You can add the comment also. Like I'm going to choose dinosaur, and here you can add say hello when it's changed the next costume. जैसे ही वो next costume change करेगा, यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे have fun. डायनासोर डांस करता हुआ सबको क्या बोल रहा है? Have fun for a 5 second. Now you can see the entire project. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप इस तरीके से कोई भी सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट हैंडल कर सकते हैं इन द स्क्रैच.